Okay, so we're still working on writing linear equations. And now this one is when given the intercepts. So an example I'm going to use here is if I'm giving the x-intercept here of, let's go with 2, and the y-intercept of, let's go with a negative 2. How about that? We'll make one of them negative. I need to remind myself that what is the ordered pair for these? Well, always, the ordered pair for x-intercepts is whatever the value of the x is, comma 0, because in this case you're saying y equals 0 because it's on the x-axis, so it is going to be 0. The ordered pair for the y-intercept is going to be the exact opposite of that, so the 0 is going to go where the x is, and then you're going to take whatever the y-intercept is and put it in the y value. Now you have it set up like a problem that we've done prior, which is we now have 2 points. So the first thing we have to do is find our slope. So remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, our slope, and these problems are fun because the slope is simply negative 2 minus 0 over 0 minus 2. Because again, I took my y2 value minus my y1, so that's where I got my negative 2 minus 0. x2 minus my x1, 0 minus 2. So go ahead, we'll simplify this, and we simply get negative 2 over negative 2, which in other words is just simply 1. All right, so we're going to continue the problem because we still need to write it in an equation form. Well, now we have it. We have a point and we have the slope. So we're going to use a point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So again, this value of y right here and this value of x right here are staying the same. They do not change. They are always going to be a y and an x. So when I start plugging things in, I'm going to go ahead and use this point right here. Okay, that's going to be my x1, y1. So when I plug that in, I get y minus 0 is equal to 1 times x minus 2. So again, I'm still going to simplify because if they asked me to leave it in point slope, I'd be done. But I'm going to go ahead and distribute through. So y minus 0 is simply y. I don't need to do anything farther there. When I distribute a 1 through, because remember this 1 needs to get distributed with that x and that minus 2. So when I distribute a 1 through, I simply get x minus 2. And on this problem, then I'm done. I've done the dirty work, I'm done, and my slope-intercept equation of the line has been completed. So I could end the point now.